The Kentucky weather has been major iffy lately. This looks rough. Apparently we got some bad storms rolling in, so I'm gonna run it back. I don't think I'll have time to put a 360 camera on. I'll try to get some good footage for you guys. If it starts raining, I might have to stop, put my rain gear on. Right now it looks pretty good though, so I'm not too worried about it. The Kentucky weather has been major iffy lately. I mean, we've been getting storms every day. Usually we have like a drought around this time of year. I'm standing up because my seat is still kind of wet from all the rain that we've been getting, so. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, because like right now I'm assuming you guys are getting a bunch of wind muffling. I know on the KTM you guys get a ton of wind muffling. It's hard to get around. Different mics do different things. Damn, KOI almost looked open. Alright, so just like last trip, just kind of chill ride. I'm not sending it hard. I am just trying to get through the corners as smooth as possible. That guy likes to party. Yeah, BMW 310R. I think it's 310. I don't know. I know it's compatible to the KTM. Alright. See what we got. Take a quick break. Road is wet, which is surprising. Typically during this time of the year, we are getting baked by the sun, so. This looks rough. Somebody's been having a good time. Need to shift up, I can just wring this one out and it'll be alright. It's such a good bike. Unbelievable, really. I just got done riding a jet ski. This thing feels just like it, I swear. I didn't even know we were gonna be turning on this road. If I didn't catch up to him, I probably would continue straight. I don't know what my GPS might have told me. I haven't been listening to it. I just been jamming to the music, jamming to the music. Right here leads to Morgantown, which is where my mom is from. So I doubt we're probably not gonna go through it. We'll probably take a left where I need to take a right at, but I probably could ride through it real quick with how slow they're moving. We'll give them a chance. We're about to drop down the hill here. Sun's out. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. I always come up it, I hardly ever come down it. Good views, that's for sure. Yeah, you can also take a 467. Yeah. It definitely doesn't. No, it does not. Yeah, solid. Hell yeah. Okay, I got right. I got rain gear. Yep. See, that doesn't look promising at all. But I don't really care. I got rain gear, so if I need to put rain gear on, I will. Short ride home from here too. I ain't worried. I just ran out of gas. Yeah.
So you're coasting right now?
Yeah, I just coasted into the parking lot. Hello?
Hello?
What's up? I'm at Pig Out Pizza.
Oh, okay. Well, we got tornado warning.
Yeah, I know. I just ran out of gas too.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
You don't have gas there, did you?
No. I was at 292 miles. Hold on. I'm on the phone with my mom right now. I got Nate's down here with me, so I probably, yeah, if anything, I'll just split with him. Yeah.
Driving switch went off.
No shit.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay, well, you be careful.
Alrighty. Love you.
Alright, love you.
Bye. Lizzo's got a full tank of gas now. And I'm trying to beat this damn tornado home. Well, at least to Nate and Evans. Oh, hauling ass. Hey Siri. Wow, that was crazy. We beat it. We made it.